Hello, today I'm gonna cook my favorite Korean dish, Kimchi Jjigae. I have 1 cup of kimchi here and about 1 cup of the pork belly, skinless pork belly. And we have tofu and 2 types of mushroom, chili and other ingredients. So what I'm gonna do is I use about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to marinate the pork belly. Okay, I'm going to be using this pot to make the stew, so I'm going to put the pork belly in here. So I'm going to top up with kimchi. Half of the yellow onions. Okay, I'm putting in the slices garlic and also the green chili, red chili, and enoki mushroom. And I also putting in shiitake mushroom. This is a firm tofu. I have spring onion here. And I'm putting in only this part. We're gonna keep some of the spring onion for garnishing later on. Alright, this is I'm going to put it aside while I'm preparing the other ingredients. So I have 1.5 cup of chicken stock. I'm going to put a little bit here of the chicken. I'm putting in about 1/2 teaspoon of minced chopped garlic, about 1 teaspoon of chili flake, Korean soy sauce 1 teaspoon, black pepper about 1/4 teaspoon, and I have Korean chili paste 1 tablespoon. Mixture, and I'm going to pour it over here. Okay, then we're gonna wash it down with the remaining of the chicken stock. Okay, then we're gonna cook it. Okay, we'll let it cook here until the soup start to boil, and then I will reduce the heat and let it simmer maybe half an hour. The stew is boiling. Just open it. Wow, nice. Okay, I'm going to reduce the heat to low heat, and we'll set the time for about 20 minutes. Okay, just let it simmer in there. About 1 minute left. Just the gravy has reduced so much. I'm going to transfer into the bowl and serve. Let's eat. So delicious. It's lovely. The meat is so tender. Oh my god, this is so nice.